Hello friends, welcome to my pet channel. This is your pet, our care. I am Dr. Sudarshini Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you will enjoy this presentation. Today we are going to discuss about the Maine Coons. Maine Coons are one of the largest cat breed in the world and they are most popular among cat lovers. Today our topic is Maine Coon, gentle giants, the devoted cat breed. Maine Coons are nicknamed as gentle giants because they are gentle manners and their huge size. There are few other names for Maine Coons. They are American Forest Cat, American Coon Cat, American Long Hair, Maine Shag, Maine Cat and Coon Cat. Maine Coons are one of the world's most popular cat breed. They love water. Unlike other cat breeds, they play with water. They can communicate with chirping sound and they can be lead trained. Earlier they used them as a mouse catching, that is, they have high prey drive. They preferred to climb trees. Origin of Maine Coons from Maine City, United States. Average weight of adult male around 5.9 to 8.2 kilograms. Average weight of adult female around 3.6 to 5.4 kilograms. Average lifespan of Maine Coons around 9 to 13 years. Maine Coons attain age of puberty around 1 year, but their growth extends up to 3 years, but some animals it extends up to 5 years. Average litter size of Maine Coons 4 kittens per litter. Average price for kitten, it depends on place to place and breeder to breeder. However, it is between 1000 to 2000 US dollars. Maine Coon eyes. They have large, wide set, almond-shaped eyes. Because of their beauty of those eyes, they called as social queens. Their eyes position slightly obliquely. They can be found in green, gold, copper or blue in color. Maine Coon ears are set high on the head. They are large and tall, wider at the base and taper at the tips. Tufts of hair extends from inner ear to outer edge. Whiskers, they have longest whiskers. They are around 4 to 6 inches in length. This supports for detecting space around them and navigating in dark. Head. They have medium width head. Their head slightly longer than width. They have square-shaped muzzle with prominent cheekbones. They have firm chin. Body. They are muscular and broad-chested, medium to large in size. They have well-balanced rectangular appearance. Maine Coon body size. Female average height 8 to 14 inches, length 40 inches. Male average height 10 to 16 inches, length 40 inches. Hair coat, they have 3 layers of hair coat, that is undercoat, smooth undercoat and outer coat, which we called as guard hair. Undercoats, they have 2 undercoats, consist of very soft and fluffy numerous hairs with longer hairs. In winter season, they become extensive to keep animal warmer. Guard hair, they develop after kitten phase. They are glossy, coarse, thicker and long hair. They form protective top coat and keep snow off and repel water. They protect the undercoat from cold and wet weather. Hair coat shorter around head and shoulders. They become longer around stomach, back and tail. Some animals will develop neck ruff. Advantages of fluffy fur. They give pleasing appearance and keep them warm during winter season and keep them dry in winter snow. Disadvantages of fluffy fur: difficult to maintain and hard to stay cool in warm climates and need brushing 2-3 times weekly. Fluffy coat develop around 8 weeks of age. This development complete in 4 years. However, in some animals, neck ruff appears around 9 months of age. Shedding in response to temperature and climate. They can be considered as seasonal shedders. However, regular grooming and brushing essential to prevent hair balls and matting. Their tails are bushy and fluffy, wide at the base and tapered to the tip. Average length between 12 to 18 inches. When they are happy, content and relaxed, they wiggle their tails. Their legs are proportionate to their body, medium in length. However, some have 6 toes. Their paws are oversized to easy catching prey. Toes are tufted, that is whips of hair in between the toes. Helps them for mobility and comfort during walking on stone. Polydactylism. Some may have 6 toes on their paws. It considered as a genetic mutation. However, it is advantageous and act as snowshoe effect in harsh winter. Colors. They can be found in more than 70 colors. However, basic colors are black, white, blue, red, cream and silver. Black. Solid black is strikingly beautiful with black noses, lips and whiskers. However, smoky black is common, that is undercoat is lighter. White Maine Coons means absence of color. They carry dominant white gene. It masks all other colors. However, most of the white Maine Coons are deaf. A white cat always must have one parent in white. Facts about white Maine Coon. Guinness World Record for the longest cat, that is 3 feet 11 inches, earned by white Maine Coon. Due to lack of skin pigments, they are prone to skin cancers. However, if they are under the direct sunlight, we have to apply sunblock, specially prepared for cats. 60% of white Maine Coons are deaf. Blue Maine Coons, known as blue-gray sheen, normally in solid pattern. Some of them have white chest. Red Maine Coons. This color is more closer to orange or ginger than red. Red color linked with X chromosome. Therefore, many animals found in red color are male animals. Females are very rare in red color. Cream color. Slightly shaded in light cream color. Can be solid or patterned. Solid cream ones are called as full cream. Most famous is the cream cameo tabby. They have shades of silver and blue with cream. Silver color, less common. They have shiny grey hue, frequently found in mix of 2 colors. Patterns. They can be found as solid, smoke, shaded, tabby, bicolor and tortoiseshell patterns. Solid means a single color, can be in black, brown, cream, red and blue. Smoke pattern. Outer fur in solid color. Undercoat appears in lighter color. From distance appear in a solid color, but roots are in the lighter color. Shaded pattern. Solid single color, but varying degrees of intensity of color in some part. Most of the time, chest is lighter or fade to white. Tabby pattern. Tabby pattern means swirls, stripes and ticks. Tabby pattern can be divided into 3 types, that is classical tabby, mackerel or ticked. Classic tabby, also known as blotched tabby, they have well-defined swirls on the sides of the body. Butterfly wing pattern cover the shoulders. Mackerel tabby, that is most common tabby coat pattern among Maine Coons. They have dark stripe along the spine and narrow stripes begin from that dark stripe, run vertically towards belly. They are parallel to each other and evenly spaced like fish skeleton. Tick tabby, they have tabby rings on legs and tail, and they have different color bands on all hairs in head and body called as agouti tabby pattern. Tortoiseshell pattern, they are dark or black with heavy patches of red and cream. Orange and black color genes linked with female X chromosomes. Therefore, almost all tortoiseshell animals are females. Bicolor pattern, usually combination of another color with white. Some have white color on faces. Always have white chest called bib, white tummies, and all fours in white color. Temperament of Maine Coons can be considered as spiral. S stands for sociability, P for playfulness, I stands for intelligent, R stands for resilient, A for affectionate, L for loyal. Sociability means they are friendly with all. That means friendly with owner, friendly with owner's family and other pets in the home. Playfulness, usually adult Maine Coon animals also show kitten-like behavior. Intelligent means they can be trainable. Resilient means they can tolerate extreme harsh weather. Affectionate means they are lovable and huggable. Loyal means they have puppy-like behavior. Common health problems of Maine Coons: obesity, which leads to diabetes or fatty liver, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, hip dysplasia, polycystic kidney disease, and spinal muscular atrophy. Now we are at the end of the presentation. Hope you enjoy well. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon with another episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.